that's right. I'm your Captain Edward Teach, and this is my vessel, the Queen Anne's Revenge. And we're going to be sailing the high seas today looking for what?
Free plants.
And how are we going to get them?
Landscape debris piles.
That's right, y'all. Today is Landscape Debris Pickup Day in our community, so we are going to sail around in our golf cart here looking for free plants. But we got to get going because somebody else is out to get our plants. Who is it?
The British Royal Navy.
The British Royal Navy, aka the Waste Management Landscape Debris Pickup Trucks. They'll come along and crush up all of the plants if we don't get to them first. So we're gonna get going down the road here, y'all, and we will get back with you when we get something good. All right, first find of the day is not plants, but a cool dresser with a whole bunch of cool stickers on it, cool local stickers. That's awesome.
Yeah.
I don't think I can fit it in my golf cart, but I like it. It looks cool. All right, we'll move on. All right, we just rolled up on a nice looking aloe here. Oh, it's a big one. Holy cow. It's got roots too. So we will definitely save this one from the trash. All right, what we got, kiddo?
We got some Dracaena.
Oh yeah, looks like a good one, doesn't it? Heck yeah. This one's easy to plant from cuttings. Oh, there's some nice cuttings there too. We will definitely save these from the trash. All right, we already got a couple things. It's awfully cold out today, isn't it? Yeah. So we're hoping down the next couple streets we'll just score a whole bunch of stuff and then we can go home and maybe drink some hot chocolate and eat some pancakes, right? Yeah, that'd be great. All right, I had to turn around here. I would zoom in by here, but Teddy spotted. What'd you get?
Rubber tree.
Rubber tree, that's right. Also known as the ficus. This is one that is super duper easy to plant from cuttings. So we will save some of these cuttings. Oh, we'll tag along there. We'll save some of these ficus cuttings from the trash for sure. All right, so it's a good thing we hit up this street already because there's our competition right there. They won't be getting anything good off this street because we got it all. That's right. All right, y'all, there's a whole Dracaena tree in this pile right here. Oh my goodness, look at that. There's a ton of it. Yeah, I don't know. So this Dracaena is another one that's super easy to plant from cuttings. So we'll detangle some of these cuttings and save them from the trash for sure. All right, here's like a sea of bromeliads in these trash cans. You can see they're a larger variety, and that's what the flower looks like on them. But I bet you there's one in here that we can save. What do you think, buddy?
Yeah, I see one back there.
Grab one. Here, hold this one.
Giant
Hold
pot.
this, I'll see if I can get it. This one?
Yeah. Or the one behind. See that pop? Yeah.
Oh, that came off the big one. It's okay. You can plant this just like this. Oh, that's a beauty.
Well,
She's a beauty.
yeah. It has another top on it also.
Save that from the trash for sure. All right, we'd love to look through these cans, but they put anti-opening devices on them, and I can't figure out how they work, so we're just gonna have to move on. All right, we got a whole pile of giant golden pothos, Hawaiian pothos here. It's a nice looking stuff. There's a vine right by your foot there, kiddo. Yeah, so this is a super tropical looking plant, mildly invasive, but we love it, so we're gonna save some of it from the trash. All right, what do we have here? We have, looks like a piece of staghorn fern with a little bit of roots too. All right, we'll definitely save that one from the trash as well. All right, looks like we came across our second or third variety of Dracaena today. This is another one that's super easy to root from cuttings, so we will save these cuttings from the trash. All right, we just rolled up on some variegated Song of India here. Some nice stuff. We also have some ficus here, but we already got ficus.
Whoa, this is like a vine.
Look at this beautiful variegated Song of India. This is another one that's super easy to plant from cuttings. So we'll save some of this from the trash. All right, we made it back to the house. We didn't freeze, or we almost froze, but we didn't freeze completely. My hands they've lost all color in them. I can't feel them at all, but we did get 2 big bushels of stuff here. So let's pull it all out and show everybody what we got.
Yeah, I guess let's start with this.
Yes.
Variegated Song of
The
India.
variegated Song of India. So variegated, if you're unfamiliar with that term, it just means like the different colors there. The Song of India comes in like a solid green, and then this kind of green and yellowish variety. I think this is my favorite.
Yeah, the solid green's actually kind of rare.
Yeah, we seem to find more of this one,
Which
don't
is unusual, I feel, because usually I feel like it's the variegated stuff that's rare.
But anyways, this is just like all of these plants. If you're new to our show here, if you haven't noticed yet, we're only getting stuff that either has roots on it or that we can root from cuttings. This one is super easy to root from cuttings.
Yeah.
Takes a little longer than some of this other stuff to actually get roots, but it is easy to root from
Okay,
cuttings.
so next up, we have a few kinds of Dracaena. Here's
Yeah, we
one
do.
kind we found. It's like a skinnier leaf.
Yeah, you can see this one has a skinny, long leaf with these red edges to it. This isn't the healthiest looking cutting, but it will root, no
Yeah.
doubt.
Then this is the thicker leaf.
Yeah, so then you can see this one right here. Yep, same deal. It has the red sides to the leaves, but you can see if you put it next to this one, these leaves right here are, you know, probably 10 inches long, and these are 18 inches long. So two different varieties right there. Cool.
So we got a lot of this stuff.
Well, that's a nice cutting right there.
Yeah.
These might be some of the nicer cuttings we've got today. Oh wow, look at that. That's a beautiful cutting. So these will do great. You can just stick those right in the
This
ground.
might even be a different variety. Look at how long
Yeah,
these
those are
leaves
long too, yeah. More Dracaena.
Hey. Okay, next this. This was a surprise. This staghorn fern.
Yeah, we got a little piece of a staghorn fern. In one of those piles, I think when Teddy pulled out some of these Dracaena, we noticed this staghorn fern here, but you can see it has some roots on it. So I think we'll be able to save this one. We have a couple other staghorn ferns. We have a beautiful one that's like, I don't know if you can see it.
Oh, yeah.
It's in this oak tree right here.
And
You can see that big staghorn fern in the oak tree. We found that on the side of the road, that huge plant over there.
And we just shoved it up there.
Let's go over there and look at it. It looks,
Yeah.
it's just a beautiful plant and it's doing real good. So all these plants, almost all these plants Teddy and I found on Plant Pirates. All these Dracaenas and bromeliads. We might have bought this one.
We bought this one. But we bought this one, but even this one, it started off as 3 plants. Now we've
Yeah, and
transplanted it, and it's like 6.
Yeah, and we found some of these in the trash too.
Oh yeah.
But let's see, over here here's this staghorn fern. And I mean, we pulled this whole thing out. That was probably one of our more magnificent finds right there.
Yes.
We got that whole thing out of the trash.
And look at it. It just fits perfect.
Yeah, we just plopped it up in here. The thing's getting huge now. It was not that big, I don't think, when we got it.
It was like a third of the size.
Yeah.
And it latches itself onto trees when it's like doing well, and that ours has started to do that.
Yeah. Sweet. All right. Hopefully
Yeah.
we'll be able to take this cutting we just got today and turn it into one of those. Yeah. All right. What else we got? What else we got?
Well, at the very bottom of this bin,
Oh, there's still stuff in that bin?
this is like ficus. This I
Ficus.
feel like we get every week,
Yes.
or we see
Yes.
and don't get.
And the reason why we probably get this every week is because ficus is a fast grower and it gets huge too.
It
so
gets like an oak tree.
yeah, just about. So I'm not surprised that we find ficus every week in the trash. All right, what's in the next bin, kiddo?
This variegated golden Hawaiian pothos.
Yes. So as I mentioned earlier, this can be slightly invasive if you just let it go. I've seen some empty lots around here where this took over. We're not going to let it grow. It is not that fast of a grower. If you just keep whacking it back, it's really not hard to maintain. And it has such a tropical, it adds just such a tropical vibe to the garden.
Yeah, and the leaves can get like giant.
Yeah, they do.
Even
They get
giant.
huge. Yeah.
Okay. This one might be a little hard to get out.
Just yank it out. You got it. So bromeliads have kind of a sawtooth edge to their leaves. Some of them do. And they'll cut you up if you're not careful. You can just plop it down right there, kiddo. So you can see this is a big one. And if you go back in the video, some of the ones that were in the buckets with this one already had flowers on them. They have these like long, stringy orange flowers.
Yeah.
They're real pretty. We might already have this variety. I don't know.
We do have one up front.
Okay,
Just one.
we collect bromeliads. Well, we collect all these plants, but we collect bromeliads and have a lot of different varieties. So
Yeah. Okay. Finally, last but not least, another spiky plant.
it is.
Actually,
Oh, the
It
aloe.
weighs like twice as much as that.
The
one.
aloe. I forgot about the aloe. We will always take aloe. Oh man, that's a beautiful one too.
Yeah.
Holy cow! Look at it. It's in real good condition.
It looks like a pot plant.
Yeah, this is great. All right, we use aloe all the time for sunburns and stuff. Oh, this is a nice juicy aloe too. I
Yeah.
like it. All right, cool. All right, so it was a cold day, but we still got some good stuff. What do you think? What's your favorite find of the day?
Either the vermilion or at the staghorn.
The staghorn fern. Yeah, we don't come across staghorn ferns often, so we will have to baby this one and get it to grow for us. I think we're going to be successful with this though. With just this amount of root and stuff right here, we should be able to get this to take off. So
Yeah.
all right, cool. All right, we got a good haul here. If anybody out there has any questions or comments about any of the plants we showed you today, just post down below. If you enjoyed our little adventure today, maybe you'd consider subscribing to our family's YouTube channel. And if they don't, what's gonna happen, bud?
You're gonna get strangled by pothos.
Oh, you're gonna get strangled by pothos. You don't want that to happen, so maybe just consider subscribing to our family's YouTube channel. Until next time, everybody out there, take care.